Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to give you a little tutorial on how I make my muesli, or you can say granola. So first of all, I'm gonna take oats. You can take any oats. I think the one that I used were Quaker oats or maybe Kellogg's oats. So you can basically take any oats, and I'm just gonna dry roast them. And in a separate plate I have these seeds. So I have four sort of seeds, that are pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, flaxseed, and sunflower seed. And I have this roughly crushed almonds. You can use any other dry fruit that you have. I like almonds in my muesli or granola, so you can add any. So I am roasting it on a low flame, and after some time you will see that the oats are turning little golden brown, and you will see that they are pretty much roasted. And this is the time when you know that you don't want to go ahead further and don't have to wait for them to get burnt. I'm gonna roast all the seeds and almonds together and just gonna give them a little crunch to it. That's all basically. And you just want to keep stirring it so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. And I had little dried berries also, so I just added a little bit of them so that it can give you a better flavor. You can add anything that you have, be it berries or the trial mix that you have. Now after roasting the seeds mixture, I'm gonna make the puree sort of thing that can hold the granola and the seeds together. So I'm gonna add 4 spoons of jaggery. You can take sugar, you can take brown sugar, or you can take jaggery. And I'm gonna add quarter spoon of cinnamon and just gonna roast it. You will see that after some time the jaggery or the brown sugar or the sugar will loosen its moisture. And then after that you can for now I am adding maple syrup. You can totally go ahead and use honey or agave nectar. Also I like maple syrup in this because it gives a more flavor and taste to it. And then after that, as you see, I am going to add all the seeds to it, and then so that it can stick, so that it can give you a very nice coating on every single seed. And after that I'm gonna add this oats mixture, the roasted oats that we made, and I'm gonna leave it I'm going to leave it for this to cool down. And that's how it's gonna look once it's all nicely coated and all that stuff. And all you have to do is after every 15 minutes you just want to stir it very nicely so that it does not make a big clump out of it, and so that it doesn't stick to the bottom as well. So once it's cooled down, that's how it's gonna look. It will be all separate separate mixture. And all you have to do is, if you want to have it as a granola, you just want to break the clumps into a bigger clumps, and if you want to have it as a muesli, you just want to break it even further. So that's it. Once it's cooled down, I'm gonna store it in an airtight container so that it can stay fresh for the next 10 days. And this is very easy breakfast option, because all you have to do is just take some cold milk and add some muesli and just your fresh fruits, or you can have it as a granola with your yogurt, Greek yogurt, or just as it is. And that's all you have to do. And that's it. And if you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you guys enjoyed such kind of videos as well, so that I can make more, and so that you can even learn during this quarantine week and make the most use out of it. And until then, bye.